My name's Tyler, and today I'm going to be talking about the nvisionaries and what we're all about. So, what are the nvisionaries? We're just people who are inspired to create something new. So, if you are inspired to create something new, you're part of the nvisionaries. Boom, super simple requirements, you're in. So, what are we up to these days? We're building all sorts of cool new topics: AI, video games, modern design systems, web apps, mobile apps, 3D apps, healthcare systems, music apps, you name it. We're trying to get into that kind of new technology. So we do science fairs, and what are our science fairs all about? We present all different types of ideas, and at our last science fair, I had a Envision, and it was a 3D web application that you can go try out at nvisionary.holiday. And here's a cool snapshot of what it looks like below. And so thanks for checking out this video. If you want to learn more, go ahead and go to nvision.com and reach out, and I'll see you there. Thanks.